Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss example problem in tangent normals in the first year, Mathematics 1B. In the calculus part, this question is also related to orthogonality of the given curves. Show that the condition for the orthogonality of the curves ax square plus by square equal to 1 and a1x square plus b1y square equal to 1 is 1 by a minus 1 by b equal to 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1. So first, two curves are given, point of intersection did not given. So what we have to do is, given curves, let us consider point of intersection, and the point of intersection means it lies on the both the curves only, no? So write it first. Given curves. First curve is ax square plus by square is equal to 1, and second curve a1x square plus b1y square is equal to 1. These are the given curves. Let point of intersection, after writing the given curves, second step is let p of x1 comma y1 be the point of intersection of the given curves. So whenever it is point of intersection, this point lie on the first curve as well as second curve. In place of x comma y, substitute x1, y1. So ax1 square plus by1 square is equal to 1. Keep that equation number 1. And a1 x1 square plus b1 y1 square is equal to 1. Keep that equation number 2. So first curve, second curve. The point of intersection of these two curves will be x1, y1, and these curves will become equation 1 and equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. By observing these two equations also, RHS values are equal to 1, So whenever RHS values are equal, we can equate LHS. Therefore, ax1 square plus by1 square is equal to a1 x1 square plus b1 y1 square. So all the x1 square terms one side and y1 square terms another side. So a1 x1 square I am taking here. So ax1 square minus a1 x1 square is equal to b1 y1 square minus by1 square. Take common from these two x1 square, take common from these two y1 square. So a minus a1 into x1 square is equal to b1 minus b into y1 square. So y1 square we are taking into this side, denominator. So under a minus a1 we are taking into this side. So x1 square divided by y1 square is equal to b1 minus b divided by a minus a1. Put it in box this value. This result we will use in the coming steps. I hope you everyone understand, your students till here. After that, we need to calculate the slopes of both the curves. Consider the first curve. Consider ax square plus by square is equal to 1, first curve. So differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. A into d by dx of x square is 2x plus b into y square derivative is 2y. Again y derivative is dy by dx is equal to constant derivative is 0. So that implies 2by into dy by dx is equal to minus 2ax. here 2 get cancelled. I want dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus ax divided by by. This is the first curve, no? Slope of first curve dy by dx, I am assuming that m1. So m1 is equal to dy by dx minus ax by by. But slope of the first curve, at what point we will calculate p of x1 y1. So in place of x and y, substitute x1 y1. Slope of, otherwise I will write it here for the convenience. Slope of first curve at p of x1 y1 is m1 is equal to dy by dx at p. So in place of x and y, substitute x1 y1. So minus ax1 divided by by1 u. Therefore the value of m1 is minus ax1 by by1. Slope of the first curve, we got it. Similarly, consider the second curve. Consider second curve. a1 x square plus b1 y square equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So if we differentiate a1 into x square derivative 2x plus b1 y square derivative is 2y, again y derivative is dy by dx. Constant derivative 0. So 2ax1 we can take this side. We will get it as 2b1y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2ax1. So what I want dy by dx now? So dy by dx is equal to, and 2 to get cancelled here, minus ax1 by b1, say a1 x1 by b1 y1. This is the second curve slope. So I am assuming in place of dy by dx m2, that is m2 equal to dy by dx equal to minus a1 x1 by, here x1 is, sorry, x1 it is b1 y. So after that, slope at what point you can calculate? Again x1 y1. Slope of second curve at p of x1 y1 is m2 equal to dy by dx at p. So in place of x and y, substitute x1 y1, it will becomes minus a1 x1 by b1 y1. What is the condition for the given curves given? The given curves, condition for orthogonality. Since the curves cuts orthogonally, the condition is m1 m2 equal to minus 1. Since the curves cuts orthogonally, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So the respective values of m1 and m2 here I kept in the boxes. You can replace. So m1 value is minus ax1 by by1 into m2 value, this one, minus a1 x1 by b1 y1 is equal to minus 1. So this side minus into minus anywhere plus a into a1 x1 into x1 square by b into b1 into y1 square is equal to minus 1. But I want x1 square by y1 square as a subject. So b1 value we can take this side, a1 value we can take this side. From this we will get x1 square by y1 square is equal to minus b1 divided by a1. After getting up this value, observe here x1 square by y1 square. You can put here some star mark. There is no equation after 1 and 2. You put that equation number 3. from equation 3. The value of x1 square by y1 square is what? This one, b1 minus b. So b1 minus b divided by a minus a1 is equal to minus b1 divided by a1. Now we will simplify. B minus b1 divided by a minus a1 is equal to minus b1 by a1. b1 only I am taking this side. So b minus b1 divided by b1 is equal to, here already minus is there, a minus a1 divided by a1. Now split into terms, b by b1 minus b1 by b1 multiplying by minus a by a1 minus into minus plus a1 divided by a1. So here b get cancelled, here b1 get cancelled, here a, here a1. So the rest of the terms 1 by b1 minus 1 by b is equal to minus 1 by a1 plus 1 by a. But I want to show that 1 by a minus 1 by b. So here already 1 by a is there. So minus 1 by a1 we can take it to this side. It will becomes, so minus into minus is plus only, b minus b1 by a minus a1. Sorry. b by b1, 1 by b1 minus 1 by b. Here minus 1 by a1 plus 1 by a. 1 minute, dear students. Yeah, dear students, here b minus b I wrote from here b1 minus b. So this one small change here. b1 minus b it is. b1 is here. So it will change automatically. That is why we are not getting that. So b1 by bb1 minus b by bb1 minus a by a1 plus a1 by a1. So one small change here, b1 I wrote instead of b1, b only I wrote. So here b1 minus b, that's what. So here b1 cancel, bb get cancel, a get cancel, a1 get cancel. 1 by b minus 1 by b1 is equal to minus 1 by a1 plus 1 by a. Minus 1 by a1 I am taking this side, 1 by b we are taking this side. This value minus 1 by a1 we can take this side, and 1 by b we are taking this side. So minus 1 by a1 we can take this side, 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1 is equal to, here already 1 by a is there, 1 by b we can take this side minus 1 by b. Therefore 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1. Hence the result. Thank you dear students for watching our channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all. This is one more example problem, another example problem. I hope everyone understand. One more example also I will give it. Thank you all.